Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best shower trim kit is probably one of the most crucial upgrades you can make in your bathroom. It's not just about looks, a well-chosen kit can significantly improve your showering experience. From sleek designs to advanced valve technology, the market offers a wide array of options. In this video, we'll dive into the best shower trim kits with valves, helping you find the perfect one for your needs and budget. Number 5. Delta Arvo 14 Series Shower Faucet with Handheld. This Delta shower trim kit includes the multi-choice universal shower valve, making it easy to upgrade your shower without altering your plumbing. It's designed for convenience and flexibility. Enjoy the versatility of the Intuition 2-in-1 dual shower. You can use the handheld shower separately or dock it for a combined shower experience. It offers a luxurious and adaptable shower. This shower head offers 4 powerful spray settings, including full body spray, massaging spray, and a pause function. You can customize your shower experience to your liking. The monitor pressure balanced valve cartridge ensures a consistent shower temperature. It balances the hot and cold water pressure, preventing sudden temperature changes. The Brilliance finish is corrosion resistant, designed for durability. The hand shower features touch-clean spray holes, allowing you to easily wipe away buildup with your finger. Install with confidence knowing this Delta shower head and trim kit are backed by Delta Faucet's lifetime limited warranty. It's a product you can rely on. What we like. This Delta Faucet kit is perfect if you want versatility. It features a 2-in-1 shower head with a hand shower, offering multiple spray options. If you are looking for a shower that can adapt to your every need, this is the one for you. It also ensures consistent temperature, so you can enjoy a comfortable shower every time. What people say. The shower head is impressive with several settings and a removable centerpiece that's perfect for rinsing down low, cleaning the walls and door, or even filling a bucket. Super versatile. The pressure is good, the handle operates smoothly, and the integrated handheld attachment works well. I was looking for good water pressure and this delivers. Number 4. Delta Arvo 14 Series Shower Trim Kit. This Delta shower trim kit includes the multi-choice universal shower valve, making installation a breeze. It's compatible with most Delta shower trim kits, so you can easily upgrade without major renovations. Enjoy the versatility of the Intuition 2-in-1 dual shower. It combines a hand shower with a hose and a standard shower head. You can use them separately or together for a luxurious shower. This shower head offers 4 powerful spray options. You can choose from full body spray, massaging spray, or a combination of both. There's even a pause setting for added convenience. The included monitor pressure balanced valve cartridge ensures a consistent shower temperature. It balances the hot and cold water pressure, preventing sudden temperature changes. The matte black finish is corrosion resistant, tested to withstand harsh conditions. The hand shower features touch-clean spray holes, allowing you to easily wipe away mineral buildup with your finger. This Delta shower head and trim kit is backed by a lifetime limited warranty. You can install it with confidence, knowing that it's built to last. What we like. If you like a modern aesthetic, this Delta faucet kit with its matte black finish is a great choice. The finish is also highly resistant to corrosion, ensuring it will look great for years to come. If you are looking for a stylish and durable shower fixture, then you should consider this one. What people say. It worked out great and looks very nice with the other brushed nickel in the bathroom. It is very functional for a great price, and I love that you can remove the sprayer to reach different areas with great water flow. Great water flow and hasn't rusted or had issues since. Number 3. EMBATHER Brushed Nickel Shower Faucet Set. This EMBATHER shower faucet set includes a valve and a 6-inch rainfall shower head. It's designed to completely transform your bathroom into a spa-like retreat. This is also a great gift for friends and family. The set includes a shower valve and trim kit, a 6-inch rain shower head, and a shower arm. This kit is not compatible with other brands' valves. If you install this kit, the old shower valve must be removed. The pressure balance valve cartridge monitors water pressure to protect you from sudden temperature changes. The single handle makes it easy to adjust hot and cold water. It ensures a safe and comfortable shower every time. The 6-inch round shower head provides excellent coverage, simulating a luxurious hotel or spa experience. It offers multiple shower modes, including a massage function to relieve muscle pain. This will make your shower more enjoyable. This wall-mounted shower set comes with clear instructions and is easy to install. It features check valves to prevent water hammer noise. The NPT-12 connector is compatible with US plumbing standards, saving you time and money. Install this shower faucet set with confidence, knowing it's backed by a lifetime warranty. If you have any questions, our customer service team is here to help. We are committed to your satisfaction. EMBATHER shower faucets are UPC-CUPC certified by US official IAPMO. This certification ensures the product's quality and safety. It can be installed with confidence by plumbers. What we like. This EMBATHER shower set is designed for ease of use and safety. It features a 3-way shower faucet with a pressure balance valve to protect you from sudden temperature changes. If you are looking for a shower system that is easy to install and provides a safe and enjoyable experience, this is a great option. What people say. The valve is solid brass and the trim is metal. The shower head has a nice spray pattern. The handle is easy to turn on and off and adjust the temperature. Number 2. Esnbia Black Tub Shower Faucet Set. This is the Esnbia Tub and Shower Faucet Set. It includes a valve, a rain shower head, and a tub spout. This set is designed to upgrade your bathroom experience. Please note that this set is not compatible with existing fixtures. You'll need to remove your old shower valve to install this kit. Ensure your setup is ready for this upgrade. The set features a CUPC certified pressure balance valve. It allows you to adjust the hot and cold water flow. This ensures a consistent and safe shower experience. Enjoy a luxurious shower with the 6-inch rain shower head. It provides a waterfall-like experience, even with low water pressure. You will feel refreshed and relaxed. The matte black finish resists scratches and corrosion. It is designed to withstand the humid environment of your bathroom. This ensures the product's longevity. The package includes the shower valve, rain shower head, shower arm, and tub spout. This set has everything you need for a complete and stylish bathroom upgrade. It is easy to install. What we like. This Esnbia tub and shower set offers a luxurious rain shower experience. It also features a CUPC certified pressure balance valve for safety. If you are looking to upgrade your bathroom with a stylish and safe shower system, it is a great choice. What people say. The brushed gold finish is absolutely stunning and adds a modern, luxurious touch to my bathroom. The water pressure from both the shower head and the tub spout is excellent, and the temperature control is smooth and responsive. It's very classy and has good water efficiency, and a nice waterfall makes showering easier and fun. Number 1. SunCleanse Brushed Nickel Shower System. This SunCleanse shower system includes everything you need for a luxurious shower experience. It comes with a rain shower head, a handheld shower head, and all the necessary hardware for easy installation. It is a complete package. The set includes an 8.5-inch rain shower head, a handheld shower head with multiple spray modes, a shower arm, and a pressure-balanced valve. The valve ensures a consistent water temperature, protecting you from sudden changes. It's all designed for your comfort and safety. The pressure-balanced valve is a key feature, preventing scalding from sudden water pressure changes. It also includes check valves to reduce water hammer noise. This system prioritizes your safety and provides a peaceful shower. Enjoy the flexibility of both a rain shower and a handheld shower. The valve easily diverts water flow between the two. You can switch between them according to your preference, offering a versatile shower experience. Designed for easy wall-mounted installation, the set includes all necessary hardware and instructions. It is compatible with standard US plumbing connections. The CUPC certification ensures it meets the required standards. This shower system comes with a 5-year free replacement for any parts. Customer service is available 24/7 to assist with any issues. Contact them anytime for support. The brushed nickel finish complements any bathroom style. It enhances the appearance of your bathroom, adding a touch of elegance. It provides a luxurious feel to your bathroom. What we like. This SunCleanse shower system provides a dual-function shower experience with both a rain shower head and a handheld shower. It also includes a pressure-balanced valve for safety and is easy to install. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-install shower system, then it is a great choice. What people say. Loved how the fixture was protected while I installed the tile. These fixtures are high quality and probably the best feature in our home. Perfect water pressure and coverage. A delight every single time. Love the features on the handheld shower, including the ability to turn off water from the handle, since we mounted the hot-cold lever at the opposite end of the shower. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.